Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about something that feels very small but is actually really important, and that's the order that you check your mirrors. It's something I see all the time with not only learners but with qualified drivers as well. Over-reliance on the side mirror and forgetting to properly check the centre. This is something I noticed myself on the motorway while driving from Weston to Liverpool. I saw a lot of drivers pulling out in front of each other thinking that they had space. Let me show you what I believe the problem was. So let's look at this properly. This is the same vehicle behind me, shown in both the centre mirror and the side mirror. In the centre mirror, you're seeing a true reflection of how close that vehicle actually is. But in the side mirror, because it's curved, the vehicle can look much further away, making it feel like you've got plenty of time and plenty of space when you don't. And that difference in how it appears can completely change the decision that you make as a driver. Sometimes you won't see something in the centre mirror at all. It might only appear in the side mirror, for example, when changing lanes. But the key thing to remember is that the side mirror doesn't show distance accurately. So if something appears there, you just want to be a bit more cautious when judging the space. If you check the side mirror first, or rely on that one alone, it's really easy to think you've got space to move, change lane, change speed, or pull out, when in reality, you don't. It can also mean missing what's directly behind you. Depending on the positioning, a car might still show in the side mirror somewhere, but something smaller, like a cyclist or an e-scooter, could be directly behind you, and if you don't check that centre mirror, you won't know it's there at all. That's why that centre mirror matters so much. It gives you the clearest picture of what's happening behind you before you decide what to do. Once you get that, the order you check your mirrors and how you interpret what they're telling you becomes much easier and makes a lot of sense. I hope that cleared up any mirror questions you might have had, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.